The most popular electric citrus juicer isn't always the best. That's what I learned the hard way. Everyone talks about brand names and shiny features, but when it comes to squeezing lemons efficiently, quietly, and without a mess, the real winner is often hiding in plain sight. Let's cut through the noise and find what actually works. Product number 1, Black Plus DECKERCJ625. First up is the Black Plus DECKERCJ625, a compact pressure-activated juicer that caught my eye for its simple design and trusted brand name. At just under $37, it sits right in the mid-range, and with over 4,000 sold recently, it's clearly popular. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The auto-reversing cone means it spins both ways to extract every drop of juice, which is perfect if you're making dressings or cocktails and need maximum yield. The 32 Oz capacity is great for small batches, and the adjustable pulp control lets you choose how chunky you want your juice, ideal if you're prepping for recipes that need texture. Plus, the entire thing is dishwasher safe, so cleanup takes seconds. Now, some people complained about the plastic build feeling a bit flimsy, especially around the base. Here's the thing though, it's not built like a tank, but for occasional home use it holds up fine. If you're juicing multiple fruits a day long-term, this might not be your forever machine, but for most people it's solid. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, affordable electric juicer from a known brand that gets the job done. Skip this one if you're juicing large quantities daily or want a metal build. For the price, it delivers solid value. Product number 2, Cuisinart CCJ500P1. Now, if the Black Plus DECKER's plastic feel bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Cuisinart CCJ500P1. At $51, it's a step up in price and build quality with a brushed stainless steel finish that looks sleek on any countertop. If you want a juicer that feels premium and handles everything from tiny limes to giant grapefruits with ease, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 3 pulp control settings give you full control over texture, low for smooth lemon juice in cocktails, high if you like pulp in your fresh squeezed orange juice. The auto-reversing cone and final spin feature extract more juice than most competitors, which means less waste and more flavor. And with dishwasher-safe parts and a 3-year warranty, Cuisinart is betting on durability. Now, some people complained about the spout dripping after pouring. Here's the thing though, it's a minor annoyance, not a deal breaker. Just position your glass right under it and it's fine. Also, it's manual pressure, so you still have to press the fruit down, but the motor does the spinning work. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, durable juicer with precise pulp control and don't mind spending a bit more. Skip this one if you want fully hands-free operation. For build quality and performance, it's a strong contender. Product number 3, Procter Silex 66340. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious buyers, the Procter Silex 66340 at just $25. With over 2,000 sold and a 34 Oz pitcher, it's a steal for the price. If you want a large capacity juicer that's easy to clean and stores neatly, this is a smart pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 2 nesting reamers adapt to small lemons and large grapefruits automatically, and the auto-reverse function ensures maximum juice extraction. The big 34 Oz pitcher has measurement markings and a pour spout, perfect if you're making lemonade for the family or prepping multiple recipes. Plus, the cord storage and nested design keep your counter clutter-free. Here's the thing though, for lemons and average oranges, it works great. Just don't expect it to power through rock-hard grapefruits without slowing down. This is perfect for you if you want affordability, large capacity, and easy storage. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty performance or a metal build. For the price, it's one of the best values out there. Product number 4, LEB and LANG Electric Juicer. Now, if you're tired of juicers that take up too much space, this next one is a compact powerhouse. The LEB and LANG Electric Citrus Juicer. At $29, it's small but mighty with a transparent 24 Oz BPA-free container and stainless steel accents. If you want a juicer that's easy to store, simple to clean, and delivers high juice yield, this one surprised me. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual direction rotation extracts more juice with less effort, just press down lightly and it does the work. The two cone sizes fit everything from limes to oranges, and the anti-pulp sieve gives you clear juice with minimal residue. The non-slip feet keep it stable, and the whole thing is dishwasher safe. Now, some people complain the container is a bit small if you're serving more than 2 people. Here's the thing though, it's ideal for singles or couples. Just refill it mid-task if needed. This is perfect for you if you have limited counter space and want a clean, efficient juicer. Skip this one if you frequently juice for large groups. For compact kitchens, it's a hidden gem. Product number 5, Vinci Hands-Free Juicer. Finally, if you're done with pressing and squeezing manually, the Vinci Hands-Free Electric Citrus Juicer is in a league of its own. At $153, it's the most expensive on this list, but it's the only one with true one-button automated pressing. If you want luxury, convenience, and zero effort, this is the Rolls-Royce of citrus juicers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Just place your lemon, press one button, and it automatically presses and extracts juice into the 12-oz Triton bowl. It includes low and high pulp filters, works with fruits up to 4.5 inches, and all parts are top-rack dishwasher safe. Perfect for busy mornings or anyone with hand pain or arthritis. Now, some people complained about the high price and small juice capacity. Here's the thing though, this isn't for everyone. But if convenience is your top priority, it's worth every penny. This is perfect for you if you want the easiest, most effortless juicing experience money can buy. Skip this one if you're on a budget or don't mind manual pressing. For hands-free operation, it's unmatched. So which one should you buy? The Black Plus Decker is great for reliability, the Cuisinart for premium feel, the Proctor Silex for value, the LEB and LANG for small spaces, and the Vinci if you want total hands-free convenience. Each has its strengths, pick the one that fits your kitchen and lifestyle. Thanks for watching and happy juicing.